What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today we're doing an installation and we'll be installing some low beam and high beam bulbs on my wife's 2019 Honda Civic. So the install process is really simple. I'll rate it a 1.5. Even if you've never done headlight bulb installs before, it's pretty much similar process for any cars. So big thank you to Auto One. If you guys are needing LED bulbs for your car, check out Auto One. And for her car, it's a 2019 Honda Civic. All right, so open up the box to see what we have in here. So we have a product manual as well as the LED bulbs. So the car comes stock with halogen bulbs for my wife's car. With LED bulbs, they're gonna look so much brighter and a lot longer lasting. And it's plug and play, so no wire splicing needed. You just plug it in to the OEM wiring harness and you're good to go. So we have the 9005 and H11 bulb size for my wife's 2019 Honda Civic. The H11 bulb size is for the low beams and 9005 is for the high beams. And if you guys are not sure what your bulb size is, no worries. You could go on Auto One's website, put in your year, make, and model, and it should give you a bulb size. You can also go to Google and type in your year, make, and model. So on my wife's car, for example, go to Google, type in 2019 Honda Civic low beam bulb size, and the size H11 bulb will show up. For the high beam, same thing, 2019 Honda Civic high beam bulb size, and the size 9005 would show up. Also, when you do remove it from your car, the stock halogen bulbs, it will have the little serial number showing the bulb size. I'll show you guys in a bit. Alright, and before getting to install, let's show you guys how the halogen bulbs look. So let's go ahead and switch it on. And this is how it looks with the yellow halogen bulbs with the low beams. You guys can see it is pretty dim. And now for the high beam bulbs, this is how it looks on the high beam bulb and the low beam, both in halogen in the yellowish color. So like I said, with the new LED bulbs, it's gonna be brighter, it's gonna last longer, and definitely modernizes the car. I think halogen design and technology is just a thing of the past, right? So let's go ahead and swap it out. No tools needed. Even if you have never done any car stuff before, it's fine. It's super easy. So let's show you guys how to get it done. All right, so let's go ahead and pop the hood. So a little hood latch. Hood latch right here in the middle. All right, so I'm gonna change out the passenger headlight first. We'll work on the low beam. So low beam is going to be over here, and then the high beam, so one at a time. So for the low beam, after you pop the hood, you notice that right here, right over here, this is for the low beam, this one right here, and then the high beam is this blue one right over here. And to remove it, you just gotta turn it lefty loosey. Alright, so low beam, lefty loosey. So facing the bulb, lefty loosey will be this direction, so anti-clockwise. So you're gonna turn it and you should hear a little click, and then it comes right out. Alright, so now that you have the low beam out, so what you're gonna do is to unclip it. There's a little clip right here, so you're gonna press down, apply a little bit of pressure, other hand just pull it out. So apply pressure, and just like that, comes right out. Alright, so in the box, 4 different bulbs. So you pick up the bulb, you can see there's a small little part number right on here. It says H11, so that is for the low beam bulb. So quick little comparison between both bulbs. Halogen versus LED. Same exact connection, so no wire splicing, plug and play. With the LEDs, there's a built-in fan right here, and then your LED strip, nice and sturdy. With the halogen, it's pretty much like a little, filament inside. With LED, it's brighter, also lasts longer. Alright, so to put on the LED bulb, same exact steps in reverse. So right here, just clip it in, push it in, and you hear a little click. Make sure it's nice and snug, doesn't come right out. And then to put it back in, you're going to do the same steps in reverse. Instead of lefty-loosey, you're going to tighten it, so righty-tighty. So put it in and then turn it clockwise. Alright, so you're going to feed it in the hole. Now that it's in, you're going to turn righty-tighty. And then once it's in, it'll be pretty snug. Alright, so now we have replaced the low beam bulb on the passenger side. We still have the stock halogens on the driver's side. I'm going to switch it on and show you guys the difference. So we have the wife over here helping to be my second hand. You guys saw the difference between halogen versus LED. LED looks way brighter. So right now let's knock out the high beam. Okay, so high beam bulb is going to be this one right here. So if you come around, it is going to be this bulb right over here. So same thing, you want to turn it lefty-loosey. Hear a little click, comes right out. Helps if you have small hands. And to remove it, press on this clip and then pull it out. So apply a little pressure, pull it out. Alright, so comparison between halogen LEDs, same thing, halogen bulbs. You want to make sure that if you're buying both low beam and high beam, make sure the serial number, you don't mix it up, because they do look pretty similar. So on the 2019 Honda Civic, it's a 9005 bulb size. Again, it's written on here. Same with your OEM one, it's written on here as well. So let's go ahead and put it on. So one thing I want to say is there's 3 prongs, right? And if you notice, there's small prong, bigger prongs. So when you try to fit it in the hole, you want to make sure the prongs match up to the size before you turn it. Otherwise, you won't be able to tighten it. Alright, so same thing, just clip it in. Hear that little click, it's good to go. Right now, you're going to go ahead and put it back in the hole. Alright, now that we have the LED high beam installed, let's go ahead and switch it on and see how it looks. Alright, so now you guys already saw the high beams on the driver's side. Let's switch it on. This side has both halogen low beams and high beams versus LEDs. Alright, so now we're gonna knock out the driver's side, both low beams and then the high beams, and we're gonna do one long clip without any edits and show you guys how it's done. A big thank you to Auto1 for setting up these bulbs. If you guys want to pick up your bulbs for your vehicle, regardless of the year, make, and model, go to Auto1's website, use my code thejmedia for 15% off. I'll also leave it in the comment section below. If there's a link you want to click on, that 15% discount code will automatically be applied. But I hope you guys like it. Super easy DIY install video. My wife has done it before, I've done it. It's just no tools needed, plug and play. Takes 5 minutes. I think it's worth the upgrade if your bulbs go out, or if you just want some brighter bulbs that last longer. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you guys want to check out more DIY videos, we have a how-to installation DIY playlist on the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.